Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making blueberry loaf cake. This recipe right here is worth trying. It turned out so delicious and I hope you're going to like it. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. To begin, I'm going to measure in 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to sieve it to avoid sands or lumps. Next, I will measure in 1 cup of sugar or add sugar to your taste. I will sieve it and set aside.
Delicious.
For my wet ingredients, I've cracked in 3 large eggs in a bowl, half cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half cup of plain yogurt. I'll mix very well to combine and set aside. Once that is done, I'll combine the wet and the dry ingredients together. I will mix very well until well combined. For my blueberry, I'm using 1 cup. I will add 1 tablespoon of flour and mix it very well so that it doesn't stick together. Next, I will add to my batter and gently mix very well.
Yummy, yummy.
Once that is done, I will transfer in my baking pan and bake for 1 hour or until toothpick comes out clean.
Delicious.
1 hour later, we are done. Our blueberry loaf cake is ready. It turned out so delicious, super moist, and worth trying. It is just perfect for your tea, coffee, or ice cream. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!